guys, this is the 2-inch tuna store.
Hi Hazel.
Hi guys.
Hi everybody. We are here at Shayla's and Hazel's channel. Today Hazel's gonna teach us how she makes food in her beautiful kitchen. Are you doing Pilates or something? You're so silly. Okay, so she's doing something weird in her kitchen.
Why do you like coffee?
Oh, I love coffee. Coffee is good for me.
We don't have any coffee.
Okay, so
We have coffee.
can you teach us how you cook on your stove, please? Okay, so Hazel, right now, let's see, what are you cooking right now? She's cooking some fries. Okay, so that's the way you cook fries. What else are you gonna make for us? Can I see what that is? Let me see.
Corn.
Corn. Okay, so you put that into, what is that? Microwave. Oh my goodness. Okay. So how long would this take to be ready? Hello. How long would that take?
5 minutes.
Okay. Wow, what is that? You're cooking fries and grapes.
They're my favorite.
That's awesome. I have never seen people cooking grapes. Ever. Okay. Can you show me what other foods you got in there, please?
Donut.
Okay, donut. Okay, I want donut with my coffee, please.
Don't have any coffee.
Right there.
Oh, I'm making coffee right now.
Okay, make me my coffee.
There we go.
Okay, perfect. That's a weird way to make coffee, but I love it. Let me see.
I'm gonna make another coffee.
This coffee is delicious.
I'm gonna make another coffee.
Another coffee? Okay.
Sounds clean. And then, there you go.
Okay, perfect. That looks good.
Oh yeah, pickles. We got some pickles.
Hey, is my donut ready? Because I really want to eat right now.
No, it needs
Come on.
The donut needs to be in 5 minutes.
Can you skip 5 minutes? I'm really hungry.
No.
Oh, what's her name? What's her name?
We are just decorating.
What? Hi, just.
Decorating.
Oh, you're decorating. Wow, you got a lot of babies up there. Oh, she's dead. Who's that? Who's that? Can you tell me her name, please?
Mrs. Llama.
Llama. Hi, Llama. What's this guy's name?
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Hi, Winnie the Pooh. Hey, wait. He's being aggressive. Okay, what's the other guy's name over here? What's his name? Hazel the bear?
What?
Is it Hazel the bear?
No, it's Bear. It's just Bear.
Bear, okay. But does your bear have a name?
The bear is that's a bear.
Okay. What else do we have? Oh, there's another baby up here. What's her name?
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Oh, you got one more over there. What's her name?
Her name is Benny.
Hi, Rainbow Bunny.
But we don't have a real bunny. Last time we saw that other we call it Fluffy.
Fluffy?
Yeah.
Oh. What other things you have? Oh, that one dances. How can you show me? Oh, that's gonna be exciting.
This is the.
Put it right here.
This is
Make it dance.
This is.
Can you make it dance? Oh, goodness. Oh, it's dead now. Oh, oh. Oh.
It was almost gonna fall. It was too many.
What? Okay, what other toys you got over there? What is that? What's her name? Wait, don't drop it. You're not nice to your toys. Oh, how sweet.
Oh, pizza sweater.
Hey, what's the deal? No, I don't like you no more. You're hugging that bear. No, I don't like you no more. I'm jealous.
I'm mad. Oh, what was that? Unicorn.
Hey, you don't love me anymore. You don't love me anymore. You just love that unicorn. No. Mean girl. Get away. I don't want you. I hate you. I hate you. Fart. Eat my farts. Eat my farts.
Okay, Hazel, can you say bye to your followers?
No, I didn't cook nothing.
Okay, we need to cook something.
Oh, it's ready.
What? Hey, my donut. I'm still waiting for my donut and my corn and whatever you put up there. Okay, that was not expected. That's weird. Okay. Whatever. Is that how you serve your food? This is the weirdest restaurant ever. Okay. Have you ever had... Guys, have you ever had food on a unicorn? Please leave comments here. And here, somewhere right there. And please subscribe to Hazel's channel.
I didn't make nothing yet.
And please give us a thumbs
I
up.
didn't make nothing yet.
And
I didn't make nothing yet.
that hurt. And please
I didn't make nothing yet.
please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on that bell for whenever Hazel makes other videos, because she is a great little person. Okay, that food looks old and rotten and Can I eat it now? You want some? You want some?
Oh, no.
Oh, goodness. Oh, you're getting crazy now. Oh, my goodness. Are you going to eat all that food by yourself? Oh, don't do that. You can hurt me.
Okay, and subscribe to my channel. Click this bell button.
What else?
And
Bye, guys.
bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the new channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye-bye.
Bye.
Kiss.
Like this. Bye, guys.